at the elementary school. Thank you for your service, Pop.
That's my brother. How you doing? Be safe on that thing.
Yes, sir. I'm just going around showing media. That's it. Thank you for your services, though, Pop. You're a blessing to the community.
Please,
Thank you, brother. Yes, sir. Man, you guys. Real life apocalypse. Look at every house on this block burned down almost. Families are sitting here watching their house burn. Nothing you can do about it. It's sad. Sad, sad, sad. Sad to see, man. Such a